Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing this back massager. Now if you don't know, for a minute I've had it said that my back is always hurting me. I don't know if I ever shared with you guys, maybe I have in older videos, I don't know, but my back tends to hurt a lot. I feel like I get a lot of neck pain too from when I sleep, the way I sleep as well, which I think I got a neck pillow, but sometimes I forget to use it, to be very honest with you. Well, specifically for my lower back. But anyway, the brand that we're going to be unboxing today is called Zyllion. And I was interested. They are on Amazon. They have different types of massages, but this one specifically is a back and neck massager with heat, and it's also 3D tissue shiatsu. I hope I'm saying that right. Massage pillow. So you can use it in your chair. On a chair, you can use it in a car. You can use it for muscle pain. So like for me, I do have a lot of like lower back pain, and I do tend to get some tension in my neck. You can also use it for your whole body, so your shoulders, your legs, any pain. But for me specifically, I do have those type of pains. So I want to test this out for sure, to see how it works out, because this would be a lifesaver and a game changer to help me with my lower back, the neck pain, and the back pain. So let's get straight into it. They did ship it to me. I picked it up from my P.O. box like yesterday actually. So I was like, you know what, let me just get the video out for you guys. And I think I mentioned everything. Like I said, it has heat in it. It's pretty convenient because you can carry it around, which makes it like great because it's portable. Like let's say you need a massage, you're in the car or something, you could just put it in on your chair. So that's why I think it's really good that it's kind of like almost portable. If you know that you like have to deal with back pain or any type of muscle pain. Oh, gosh. So I'm giving you guys, like, I've seen a few reviews on this already, but I'm giving you guys a whole like unboxing and everything, just because like this is my first ever like back massager. I want to give you guys the full unboxing and everything, because I really see just short reviews of opening it at the end. I kind of want to unbox it with you guys and demonstrate everything. So let's get into it. Okay, good on packaging. They put this up in the packaging. Alright, now for the actual box that we've been waiting for. I'm not gonna lie, this box is heavy. Put this aside. Alright, so this is the box of the actual product. Like I said, it says Zyllion. It says the ZMA-13. This is in the color black, and like I mentioned, it's a shiatsu massage pillow with heat, so it does have a heating factor into it. Now, on the side, it says the areas of use. So let me just show you guys the picture of it, just so you guys can see it. Alright, so on the side, it does tell you everything you need to know. So, arm, you can use it for your arm, your neck, your thigh, upper back, lower back, and calf, just to be more specific. And they show you like the different ways on the side of the box on how to use it. Another thing is it has different kneading massage nodes. So they have 4 deep kneading massage nodes to help relax and relieve muscle tightness. They have adjustable handle straps, so you can put it on your chair. It says an ultra slim body, so the ergonomic design for your lower upper back, so you can use it on calves and thigh areas and abdomen. And then, so it is an overheat protection device, which I like because I have something similar like that, where they have the automatic turn on turn off system. That's good, so that you know it doesn't catch fire. It turns off after 20 minutes, which is good. It has the auto shut off. It says advanced heating function, so it helps to soothe aching muscles. And then it says a car charger is included, which is great. So like I said, if you use it in your car, you have the car charger. It says it's approved adapter with both 110 to 112 voltage and 220 to 240 voltage. And the car charger is included. So we're going to go ahead and open the box. And I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to demo it for you guys right quick. I do like their packaging, very neat. So this, I think, is like the sleeve, I think. It looks like it. What does it say here? It just says, use this sleeve to, sorry, I'm reading backwards, you guys. Use this sleeve to lessen the heat and massage intensity. I guess so that if it's on your back and stuff, you don't feel it too much. But they give you a little sleeve here, I guess, to put the back massager in it. So, instruction manual. So this is the adapter they were talking about to plug it in. They have the car adapter and the regular charger port. And then this is the actual massagers. So off rip, this is what the massager looks like. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm going to get up close though. So as you guys can see, it has the on and off button right here on the side. And then on the back, it has this part that you have to plug in because it's not cordless. You do have to plug it into a cord. This is the strap that you put to the back of your chair if you're going to put it on your chair. And it looks like you can tighten it and loosen it however you want to do it, because it kind of, you can detach the strap in the back. So I'm actually going to get the piece because we're going to test this out on camera. And yeah. So this is definitely the card piece, and this is the piece. So of course you got to plug it into your walls. Luckily for me, this is actually perfect because I do have a plug right here where I'm sitting, thankfully, so I can easily plug it when I am using it. So I'm just going to go ahead, plug this part. Let me go ahead and plug the other side. And then I might just speed this up real fast, but just gave you guys a thing of it turning on just so how you guys can see it, but I moved it up a little bit. Alright, this, I'm just sitting down and already this is feeling good on my back. Like I said, I normally always complain about my back hurting. Right now, just feeling that nice like kneading. That's why when I go, for example, when I go to the salon, I always put it on the kneaded. My salon has the massage chair and I put it on there, and my back always feels so good. This is like doing a massage at your house without going to a masseuse and stuff like that. You can definitely use this. So far, 10 out of 10. Okay, now it's doing a different mode. So like it said, different mode. So now it's kind of like coming in together. Like I'm doing this, I'm telling you, describing it for you guys because you guys can't feel it. So I'm telling you what the pressure that I'm feeling. So it's kind of like going this way now. I kind of want to move, but I don't because this feels good. Show you guys lastly to give my final thoughts while I'm still using the massager. I'm going to use it for the whole 20 minutes. I'm about to just sit here and watch something. I'm not even going to lie to you because I know it hasn't been 20 minutes. So this is just a thank you note that they gave to me. Let's see. And then, like I said, this is the manual, but honestly, 1-year warranty. I have to go ahead and do that, fill that out, so that if this, for whatever reason, something happens to this and malfunctions within the year, I can go back. I'm definitely going to do my 1-year warranty. I think I pretty much Gave you guys everything else. I'm just looking in here. Like I said, it has 4 different deep kneading massage notes, and I do feel it doing like different modes, kind of going in and out, up and down type of thing. Is just make sure you use a discretion when using this. Obviously everybody has a different body, so be aware of that, I would say, just by reading off of this. Again, I think I only did maybe 10 minutes. I don't even know, but maybe 5. You don't have to overdo it either. 20. Now I'm thinking about it, 20 minutes is a long time, so maybe 5 minutes won't hurt, just to get your back feeling better. I feel like it did kind of like, ooh, like I can feel my back a little more relaxed. I don't think there's anything else. They do mention like if it has anything else as far as holes or anything like that, to just in the area, if it has any holes or anything like that, to make sure you don't use it, you gotta kind of like reach out to them. And when they say holes, they mean holes like in the little area here. But other than that, I'm ending this review. I think it's a great massage pillow, perfect for like I said, if you deal with any like neck pain or back pain like I do. It definitely is worth trying. I will leave the link of the product down below, and by the time this drops, I know it's definitely going to be Amazon Prime Day, so you guys can go check it out, because I believe they're putting down the price even more. But even now, I just looked at the price and they brought it down like $15 for this specific massager. So that's up. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.